Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to delete multiple group messages on WhatsApp using the PC app. Whether you're decluttering your chats or removing unnecessary messages, this process is quick and efficient. Let's dive in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once the app is up and running, locate the group chat where you want to delete multiple messages. You can find it in the list of chats on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, enter the group chat by clicking on it. Once inside, find any message within the group that you want to delete. Right-click on that message to bring up a menu of options. From this menu, select the Select option. This will activate the selection mode. Now, go ahead and click on all the messages you wish to delete. You can select as many as you want by simply clicking on them one by one. Once you've chosen all the messages you'd like to remove, look for the delete icon, typically represented by a trash can, and click on it. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure about deleting these messages. Confirm your action by clicking Yes or Delete, depending on the prompt displayed, and that's it. The selected messages will be permanently deleted from your group chat, helping you keep your conversations clean and organized. By following these steps, you can easily manage your WhatsApp groups and remove unwanted messages in just a few clicks. Thank you for tuning in. If this guide was helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need it. Happy chatting.